Hello, my name is Tabitha Sherman, and I'm going to be playing the game Tennis for the Atari 2600. This game was originally developed by the company Activision by developer Alan Miller, who was also a co-creator of the company Activision. This game was made in 1981. And some similar games to it. It's a little bit more of an updated version to the game Pong. When you actually type in tennis and search it, Pong will likely come up. It's pretty much the same idea. You can move left and right and hit a ball back and forth between two different characters. This is a multiplayer game if you wanted it to be. But it's a little different because you can also move closer and further from your opponent. And then a super modern version of this game would, of course, be Wii Tennis. A lot of us grew up playing that, I think, and it's the same idea again. It's just a lot more body movement in that one instead of just, the hand joystick movement. So to win this game, you have to score 6 points against your opponent, and then the game is won. This is a little bit different than regular tennis. In regular tennis, you must win 2 out of 3 matches to fully win, and I believe it's like that in Wii Tennis as well. But yeah, this one, you just have to win 6 points against your opponent, and you are the winner. If it ends with a tie, where the score is 6-6, then the game just restarts, goes back to 0, and you can play again. So, to launch the ball, you just press the space bar. Then you can run. Oh, there I go. So yeah, so there he got 15 points, so that's basically one score for him. If I didn't really want to start out that way, I can reset the game down here. And then I can also change how difficult or easy the game is. I can also change the size of the screen. It's a little bit bigger, full screen. All right there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So we'll play for a second. I'm not very good at this game. Yeah, clearly. So that's probably my biggest complaint is that I find it quite difficult for such a straightforward game. I feel like Pong, it's a little bit easier and faster to move the player around, and this guy kind of like runs pretty sluggish and around in circles. But my favorite part about the game, it's very simple, straightforward, doesn't take a lot of thinking or brain power in order to play this game. It's kind of something you can relax and play in your free time. So yeah, so we'll play a little bit more. We can go ahead and reset that guy. See, there we go. Very slow. I was like heading that direction the entire time, but I still couldn't seem to make it, even though he's still on the opponent is still on the novice easy level. Again, too slow. Oh, there he got his first point. Ooh. So I guess there's another thing we just found out. When someone gets their first official point, then the game flips and your position on the field changes as well. I hadn't realized that before, but that's super interesting. So that's pretty much the game for you guys. That is Tennis for the Atari 2600, developed by Activision's Alan Miller in 1981. Thanks so much for watching, and see you guys later. Bye!